Hey y'all, we back again with another video. Sorry that it took us so long to do another one, but this one we are eating the lick fries. I got sour cream on mine, and I have ranch, and I have some water, of course, in a glass, and I have water too, in a bottle. But so what do you want to talk about? I don't know. What do you want to talk about? Isn't that why I asked you? Isn't that why I asked you? Guys, comment down below what we should talk about in our videos. We don't be having nothing. I guess let's play a game. Okay. What game? Moments of silence. I don't know. Me either. Let's talk about a game. Watch, play. Would you rather? Okay. What? What was that game? Would you rather? I know. You're talking about like we should play put a finger down or something. Like we always go to would you rather? Sure. We got 5 fingers and 5 questions for each of us. This is the good or bad round. You can go first. Would you rather? No, it's not put a finger down. Oh. Put a finger down if you got into a fight more than once a week.
That's never have I ever.
No, it's not. Okay. I mean, she meant put a finger down if you've been in a fight more than once. Okay. Put a finger down if you pushed one of your friends down the flight of stairs. I mean, she was acting bougie, so oh well. It was on accident. I wasn't paying attention. I backed right into her. I think I'm gonna need more fingers, y'all. Your turn. Would you? Put a finger down if you push one of your siblings down 5 stairs. Bro. She did that on purpose. Hey. Okay. Put a finger down if you worn clothes outside the house that you never thought you would wear. I never thought I could wear a crop top outside the house, ever, because
A dress with shorts up under it. A dress with shorts up under it. I got leggings on right now.
I never knew I could wear a crop top outside the house. I never knew I could wear a skirt outside the house or a dress. But
why not a dress?
I can, of course.
Why not a dress?
Sometimes dresses can be too short.
Not the ones that I wear with my friends. So I got 2 fingers left, guys.
Me too. Okay.
Okay. Would you Put your finger down if you don't like sausage pizza. But it's not that I don't like it, it's just it's too salty. I'll eat it, but it's just too salty.
Put a finger down if you have big plans for yourself when you grow up.
Everyone says you win, so guys, I won. No, you won because you still have fingers.
Try and give me a couple of finger right now, no?
Put your finger down if you like your dinner. Oh, okay. Put your finger down if you love your family.
I won though, guys, so let's start another video. I said video. Game. You want to do another round?
Sure.
Oh, that's stuck in my throat. Okay, so we'll have 5 fingers again.
Let's make it up one every round, so we have 6 fingers.
We have 6 fingers. You want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
You.
Put a finger down if you love fries. I love fries.
They can get clogged in your throat, and they can be too thick sometimes.
When they're crispy, they're delicious. Do that time. Okay.
I'll be right back, guys.
Random specimen. Y'all, I did a lot of stuff. When I was little, I almost killed myself when I was little. Because I climbed on top of the counters and I almost fell off the counters because I wanted some of my mom's cookies that was in the cabinet.
No. My sister, she had a jawbreaker once, and she told me to go put it in the room. And then our brothers walked into the room, and they saw me, and I put it in the bed. I was just licking it.
Going to town on my stuff. And then I woke up the next day like, who ate my stuff? Paris, showing when I come in. And I'm like, some Paris did it. I'm like, so you ate my stuff? And she said, I got upset. And then she had to buy me a whole new one.
It was a lot of money. But jawbreaker was like,
the jawbreaker I had was this big.
Like, jawbreaker.
It was huge. It took me like months to get rid of that one. Okay, back to
I guess it helped her out.
Your turn, pass. I have 5 fingers.
Okay.
Guys, another question. Comment down below what we should name our channel. Because we don't have no ideas. At all. I have 5 fingers.
Put a finger down if you tried asparagus before.
No, I've never tried asparagus.
I haven't either.
Okay. Put a finger down if you've sat there and ate sour cream before. For some reason, I love sour cream. Just me.
When I was a baby, my mom told me when I grew up that when I was, I believe, 3 or 4, that my mom would walk downstairs and see me eating something out of the refrigerator. For some reason, I would know how to get the refrigerator open, but it was always this rope tied around. But then I would know how to. How would I do it? Like, when I grew up, it took me about 30 minutes to untie that rope from around the refrigerator.
Okay, your turn.
The world is done.
Your ball? Oh, your rip rack. Meh.
Move that.
Why? Something interesting in the middle of the video. There's no interesting questions.
Fine. First thing you done, you ever had a boyfriend?
I did, but I had gotten in trouble for it. I was in a lot of
But
trouble.
no, guys, I never had a boyfriend.
3.
I still have time.
My bad, y'all.
Sorry, y'all. We'll see if we can edit that out. Probably not because it was funny. But, yeah, guys, I still have 5 fingers.
I have 3.
She hasn't asked any interesting questions yet.
I don't have interesting questions. Have you ever, put a finger down if you've sat there and watched to someone before. I sat there and watched almost everybody I know. Well, maybe everybody I know.
Put a finger down if you watch your sister at night, but then you found out that you did.
No.
You told me yesterday because I kept waking up in the middle of the night trying to figure out who keeps staring at me because I have this thing that if somebody's staring at me, I won't be able to concentrate on what I'm doing. So then I found out that she was staring at me.
Yeah, because
I told her to stop.
Because you kept moving. Duh. If I hear moving in the room, I'm going to wake up. But I most likely won't be asleep anyway because I feel like I'm being watched. Funny, right?
But now guys, I see sound asleep.
Yeah, he gonna act like his hands is gonna cover him. No, your hand too tiny. You too tall. Your turn. 2. I have 2 questions. Try to step in my all the time. What? I'm gonna put my towels in the washer or my covers in the washer. Back to the video, you know? Okay. Come on, ask one more interesting question. Or at least 2 to try to get me for my last 2 fingers down so you can win. Because you have 4 fingers. Guys, the only reason why my hair is like this is because I have leave-in conditioner in it, so it can moisturize my hair.
What finger down if you ever had a girlfriend before?
I have plenty. My friends are very nice to me.
Yeah.
I have 1 more finger.
Okay, your turn. I still have 4 fingers.
Put a finger down if you ever swallowed a whole baby potato before. It's a question. I just decided to ask it. I don't know.
No. Put a finger down if, when you were a baby, you never chewed your food. When I was a baby, my mom would get scared because I would have never chewed my food or chewed it all the way. So, yeah.
Guys, comment down below your stories and how y'all had all y'all fingers down or whatever. Tell us what
What's up with y'all? And how everything going? And tell us if y'all won or lost, because I definitely won. I lost, because I still only have one finger. But, you know, if there was one more question asked, I most likely would have had 0. But we don't know. Put a finger down if you bougie. No, not bougie. Petty. No. Bougie and petty. My brother bougie and petty. But I guess y'all, we'll see y'all later. Love you guys. Bye.